take some water and mold down your part. So you're going to section where you want your part to lay, get a hard bristle brush, and just brush it down so that it lays flat, because when you get the wig out of the bag, it's all over the place. So you really want to use this water to help shape and mold your wig so that it lays nice and flat. You don't have to drench it. It doesn't have to be soaking wet. Just enough so that you can maneuver the hair so that it lays nice and flat. This is the key point I want you guys to take from this video. This is going to give you a natural look. Once you figure out where you want your part, take some tweezers and just open up the part. When y'all see all of these Instagram videos and tutorials and all this, people are, I'm telling you the secret here. They're plucking away at the part and making it look natural. So make sure you do that. Don't open it up. Guys, we are almost finished. Totally up to you how you want to style your unit. I'm just silking mine out with my flat iron. You could put some curls in this. You could put some waves. It's totally up to you. I'm going to be finishing this up with my favorite spray right now, which is by Sexy Hair. It is the Rose Elixir. It's a really nice spray. I love it. It's light. It gives it a nice sheen and it smells so good. Look at that body. Look at that body, baby. Hey.